Hello friends, how are you all? Friends, let's see what's the guidance from universe for you all and for your current situation about your person. Let's see the guidance from the universe actually. The page of swords card is coming, so I feel some kind of communication or telepathic communication from your person. I feel, or maybe a person is busy, some work related issues also. I feel that just see a person is crossing this bridge, they are on the edge of crossing it, so definitely they are planning to come towards you, that's for sure. King of Swords. This person, you can, King of Swords is a person who is very truthful and who likes to express their truth very clearly and confidently. This person is very confident about whatever actions they take, and whatever they do in their life, they are very confident about that. You got me? But at present, you can see how this King of Swords is sitting in this card. So before coming in this truth, this person is analyzing a lot. Just see Hermit card, again the Hermit card is coming. So your person is thinking a lot. They are maybe alone, they are spending time alone, they are thinking a lot about themselves and about you also. They are thinking about their whole life, you can say, about their family and their relatives, and their if suppose they are in third party relation, about that person, about you. This person is very defensive at present, I feel, and they are very doubtful about what about themselves also, about their relationship also. They don't know how to take action actually. Just see how many barriers they have put in front of them, and this one wand is they are holding in their hand, and the wand you can see the sun coming out. So they are not able to exactly see the sun. You got me? They are doubtful about it, whether their wand they are holding is right or wrong. If they are going to take action, it will be right or wrong. These things are creating doubt in your person's mind. Because of that, they are not taking action. They know that they are very Casanova kind of, in some cases I could say a person is very Casanova kind of, or very flirtish type of. They take life very lightly. They like having fun, they like having enjoyment. So they are continuous in and out from your life, you can say. Yeah, or maybe they had this attitude in the past. But Seven of Pentacles is telling me, but now they are thinking about their actions, and whatever seeds they have sown, they are thinking what these seeds are going to reap me benefits. They are thinking about all these things, whatever they have invested in the relationship with you or with the a third party or anyone else. They are thinking and analyzing about that, what those relationships are going to bear the fruit or not, or what they are going to give them. They are definitely Five of Cups very guilty about whatever they have done with you, or whatever things they have said to you in the past. Maybe some very harsh words, or something not very good they have done with you, that's for sure. Because see this person, how they are feeling so much guilty. You can see that so guilty this person is. See the three cups are over here, and the two cups are also separated. So they know that they have not done right, and this, plus they are splitting that water in this well with this with his or her leg. You can see that. So they are not interested in the third party or anyone else who is trying to offer their love to them. And just see how they are spilling that cup here. You can see that. So they are not interested in third party or any other person right now, even though they are being shown the way, but they are not interested, that's for sure. Seven of Cups, the Hierophant, and the Moon card. Let's see the Temperance card. A Temperance card definitely shows that whatever your relationship is at present with your person, but it will definitely you both will come into union and both will start talking. Even your person is saying to you right now that they doesn't love you or they don't have any feelings for you. This is all they are trying to hide themselves actually. Even Temperance, when the two persons, completely opposite persons also, they are in opposite direction also, the two persons are in opposite direction also, now they are being brought together by the angels. So even if your person is running away from you, or they are hiding away from you, or they are hiding their feelings, they will definitely come towards you, because angels are going to get you both together. And the Seven of Cups is carrying. Seven of Cups, the person is thinking a lot of things, or they are having a lot of options, you can say that, so many options, but you can say how this person is, he or she is not interested in any options. They are not showing any interest in any option, you could say that. And these options are definitely related to marriage, I feel that, because the Hierophant card is coming. So I definitely feel some, if a person is not married at present, so they have been well shown so many options of marriage proposals or something like that, or if they are already in a committed relationship or with other person, so they are definitely thinking about their marriage, what to do and what not to do, because the Judgment card is coming now. So they have to make a judgment about it. If suppose in a person is already married and they have children, suppose, so they have to think about them also. But if they are not married and they are the only person in the family who is very responsible for everything, whatever decision they take, or whatever, their family is dependent on them, or their siblings are dependent on them, so they have to think about them also. So this person is definitely thinking a lot, and because they have to make a proper judgment. And the Moon card is coming, so this moon energy is definitely going to bring out some truth in front of your person, I feel, because they are definitely feeling nostalgic also. In the moon they can see your face, you can say that, so they are missing you a lot. So let's see, the doorbell has been, so guys, definitely feel your person is missing you a lot today, and tomorrow they are going to miss some, majorly they are going to miss you a lot, and they are thinking a lot about you, you can say that. See, professional assistant, I'm telling you again, agar suppose a person is already in a committed relationship, so they are taking professional assistance, or they are hiring counselors or someone to discuss about what they can do about this marriage or something like that. If suppose they are not in a committed relationship, so they are taking some people's guidance who can help them out to make a decision. This is for sure, and these people are very good in relationship maintenance, you can say that. Whoever they are consulting, they are good in guiding, you can say that. Either they can be even consulting some tarot readers or astrologers also, who are guiding them what they should do and what next step they should do, that's for sure. Honoring path, they know that they have to honor you, or they have to give you a commitment in front of entire community, or in front of entire world. They know that you deserve that, and you expect that from them. They don't know that, but at present they are hiding behind a mask, they are wearing a mask, and they are not coming in open. They are not coming in open because still their life is fragmented. They don't know how to join these puzzles in their life. They are busy joining the puzzles and completing their life picture. So they are consulting lot of people how to complete this picture of their life, or how to fix all these puzzles. They are trying to, because of that they are wearing this mask. Because of that, the person is not coming in open, you can say that. This is the main reason a person is not coming in front of you. They are definitely open, just the card, the openness, protection, and the straightforwardness decision. I'm telling you, a person has to make a decision. Judgment card is coming, so they will make a decision very soon. They have to make a decision very soon, and they will openness card is coming. Definitely they will open their heart to you. They will tell you what is there in their heart, and they will it's really honest communication, you can say that. The most honest communication with your person. They will tell you whatever there is in there. Even they will tell you that things they don't know at all, but the little secret they are going to tell you about themselves, that's for sure. And protection, so angels are telling me that you and your partner is definitely protected. If someone feels that something negative energies are attacking you and your person, then be sure that nothing is going to happen, because protection, definitely universe itself, your angels are protecting you, that's for sure. Steadfastness, that your person will definitely take action, and it will be very fast action. Whenever they will complete their life puzzles, and whenever they make a complete decision, they will make a steadfast decision, and they will come towards you and open your heart and explain you everything. Okay friends, hope you like my reading, and please thanks for liking and watching, and please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.